Hello and welcome to System Recipes. I'm Reno Cabral. In today's video, we will be installing and configuring ESXi 6.5. So I'll be installing this on a virtual machine. As you can see, I've already created a virtual machine named ESXi 3. I've also mounted the ISO image to the CD drive. So let's go ahead and start with the installation. See, as you can see, it has booted up from the ISO image. You can press enter or just wait for the few seconds and it will select the installation. And as you can see, it's going to be loading all the installer files. So now we are at the welcome screen of the installation. It will give you the URL for the compatibility guide. If you want, you can access that guide, or else just press enter to continue. End user license agreement. Press F11 to accept it. Now it's showing us our local hard drive. So let's go ahead and select that and press enter. Now let's go ahead and select the keyboard. For me, it's going to be United Kingdom and press enter. Now we need to specify a root password. Okay, once that's done, press enter to continue. So it's giving me a warning about the CPU. Let's go ahead and press enter to continue. And F11 for the install. So as you can see, the installation has completed and says remove the installation, media and reboot. So as you can see, the system has restarted and it has been assigned an IP address by the DHCP server. So as you can see, it has been assigned 192.168.1.102. So I don't want it to have a DHCP IP address. Let's go ahead and configure the whole ESXi box and assign a static IP address. So to start with, let's go ahead and press F2 to customize the system. It will then ask you for your root password. So let's go ahead and enter that. Press enter. Once that's done, it will take you to the main configuration page. So you got your password, which we don't need to change at this moment. So configure your management network. So let's go press enter. As you can see, it has selected the first network card by default. Let's go ahead and go down to IP configuration and press enter. And now over here we got three options. Using your keyboard up and down keys, you can just go up or down and press spacebar to select one of the options. So if you would like to disable IP configuration, IP4 configuration, you can select that, DHCP, and then at the last you got static IP address. So I will just press spacebar to select that. Let's go one step down, and now you can assign an IP address. So the IP address that I would like to assign this box is 192.168.1.8. Okay, the subnet mask will be the same. It's 255.255.255.0. My default gateway is 192.168.1.1, so I'll leave it as it is and press enter to OK that. Once that's done, you can go to IP version 6. You can leave it as it is, or else if you would like to disable it, you can disable it. Alright. If you go to DNS configuration, you can see that I've got two DNS servers, 1.10 and 2.10, two different subnets. And if you scroll down, you can assign this box a host name. So I would like to assign it as ESXi-3. Press enter to OK that. If you go down, it will give you a custom DNS suffix. I've got it as systemrecipes.com, and that's all that we have to change for the network configuration. Let's go ahead and press escape to exit that. It will ask you to restart your management network. Press Y to OK that. Now you can go and test your management network. So if you click on test management network, it will show you your IP addresses. The first one is your default gateway, the second one is your DNS servers, second and third is your DNS server, and the fourth one is your host name. Okay, press enter to test it. So now you can see it has started pinging the IP addresses, and as you can see, it has pinged successfully all the 3 IP addresses, but it has failed with the name resolution, and that is because we haven't created a record for this box on our DNS server. So let me quickly go on to my DNS server, into DNS, and let me quickly create a record for this one. So system recipes, as you can see, I've already got 2 A records for ESXi 1 and 2. So ESXi 3, IP address is 192.168.1.8. right? If you would like to create a pointer record, you can select that and press add host. Successfully created. That's done, and you can see that ESXi 3 pointer record has been created. Now let's go back again to the ESXi box, press enter, and let's go ahead and test the management network again. So as you can see, now it has resolved the host name successfully. Press enter to OK that. You got network restore options, don't need to worry about that. Keyboard configuration, troubleshooting options, then you got your system logs. So if you go into system logs, you can press 1 for system logs, Q to quit. You can press 2 for VM kernel log, Q to quit. You got 3 for your config logs. You can scroll up or down, and that's all your logs for troubleshooting purposes. Let's go ahead and press Q to quit. Okay, and you got view support information. Alright, as you can see, I'm using an evaluation license, and reset your system configuration. We don't really need to do that at this moment. So that's all you have to do to configure your ESXi box. So let me press escape to log out, and as you can see, it has now assigned ESXi 3 IP address of 192.168.1.8, and you can see all the information here. So that's all with the configuration. Now you can also access your ESXi box via web. So now what we have done is just configured it. So what about how are we going to create the virtual machines on this ESXi box? So you can use web interface for this. So as you can see, go into https://esxi3.systemrecipes.com, press enter. It will give you a certificate warning. Let's click continue to this website, and now it will prompt you for your login. Now this is going to be your root login. So let's type in root and the password, and now this is user interface for your ESXi box that we have just created. It will give you your system information, the CPU usage, the memory usage, storage, etc. Okay, you can go ahead to storage. You'll see that there will be a data store, default data store that has already been created. As you can see, you can go to networking. You got 2 networks already been vSwitches. Okay, that's management network and the VM network. Okay, and into virtual machine, you can now create or register a virtual machine, and that's all it is with a standalone ESXi box. So I hope this video has been useful. Please hit the like button if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.